if you want to create your own confetti green screen, you want to get your own celebration green screen, your news template green screen or whatever, you can go ahead and use any of these ones you're seeing on my screen. But there's no reason why you should be using that when you can actually create your own by yourself for free using some of the tools out there. So if you want to create either a confetti green screen of your own, your celebration green screen, your news template green screen, or any green screen effect that you're looking for, all you need to do is just to come over to Canva. As you can see here, come here to Canva AI, you're going to click on that, and then it's going to load this particular AI page for you. What you want to do here is you want to come down to this create a video clip. You want to click on that, and then it's simple. Just come over to the test prompt box here and just say create confetti green screen. As simple as that. Send it and wait a few seconds. Let's see what it's going to give to us. And as you can see, we have something here. So if I want to see what this is looking like, I can come here and I'm just going to click on this, and then I'll be able to play it from here. If I play it, as you can see, I have an amazing confetti green screen effect here, and I can go ahead and use it anywhere without having any copyright issues. Okay, so if you want to create any other type of green screen effect, it's simple. All you need to do is to come back here, make sure you type in the prompt that you want. Either you're trying to generate a confetti green screen, a celebration green screen, an explosion green screen, whichever news template green screen, just mention it. You're going to generate it for free. Just make sure that when you get to Canva, you're using the create a video clip. Okay, and if you don't want to use Canva to do this, you can always use the Google Flow AI tool to also create your green screen effect. As you can see that I have here, the only thing here is that this may not always be free, but if you sign up as a fresh user, you're going to be allowed to use it for free. And then all you need to do is to come to the new project option here, and then again, come in here and type in whatever prompt that you want for the kind of green screen that you want. And then it's going to create it for you. Again, make sure you're also using the text to video option here. And if you want your green screen effect to have a background, make sure you come here and use the View 3 Fast Edition, which you can see here is the beta audio mode. And then you'll be able to use it, and then you'll be able to get something this amazing. So this is how to go about that. So please, if you enjoyed this video, like it and help me share it. And if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to this channel so you get to see more videos from me whenever I publish them. Thank you.